Hello everyone, welcome to Sustainable Living with Shilpa Reddy, powered by Planet Greens Farm Natura. Today on yet another episode of Nourish You Farm to Table, I am going to show you 3 recipes, one a green juice, a salad and a dip. So I am going to begin with the green juice. I have always spoken about adding 40% of raw food to your diet, which keeps your body healthy because raw food has live enzymes and live enzymes assimilate with your body easily, giving you instant energy and nourishes your body. So the first one is cucumber, green apple, spinach, green juice. All you need is 1 cup of cucumbers diced, half a green apple, little bit of spinach, baby spinach is what I use. This is celery juice. What I did is I used the celery sticks, blended with a little bit of water, strained it and prepared the celery juice, lime and half an inch of ginger. So you add cucumber, half a green apple, handful of spinach. Make sure you get the organic kind because spinach can absorb a lot of pesticides, so try to get the organic variety, especially when it's leafy vegetables. Then the celery juice that I made, adding a little bit of water, blending it and straining it. I'm going to add this to this. Then squeeze half a lime. Add a small piece of ginger. You can add ice if you want to have it nice and cool. Just blend them all together. So if you guys like it strained, you can have it strained. You can use a strainer to strain the juice, but I prefer a lot of fiber in my juices, so I don't strain. But it's your choice. Let's just strain. Make sure all your green smoothies or any kind of smoothies are consumed immediately, because once they get oxidized, you will lose a lot of nourishment and nutrition that these juices have. So you must consume them immediately. So this is your spinach, apple, cucumber smoothie. It's got lime in it, ginger in it, so the flavor is beautiful and it's a green juice. You can start your day with this, high in antioxidants and loaded with vitamins. Today I'm going to show you an interesting salad which is filling, which has everything in balance from carbohydrates to fats to protein, and this can be your lunch replacement as well. This is called the beetroot carrot cucumber salad. First you need beetroot, carrot finely chopped, cucumber all in equal proportions. To this you add soya granules. These have been soaked in water and stir fried with a little bit of oil. This adds a beautiful texture to your salad and adds protein as well. So this also again in the same proportion as the cucumber, carrot and beetroot. These are roasted peanuts, crushed. This also adds beautiful texture and gives you the right kind of fats that you need in the salad. Chopped coriander. A little bit of chaat masala, Himalayan pink salt or any other normal salt to your taste. This is optional, but I love adding this. This is tempered black split dal with red chili and curry leaves in some olive oil, or you can use any oil that you use. This adds a beautiful crunch to the salad. You can remove the red chili if you don't like it, and just mix them all together. If in case you find your salad a little dry, you can always drizzle a little bit of olive oil. This is one of the most satiating, filling, highly nutritious, balanced meal in the form of a salad. You can also pack this for your lunch. You can leave it in the refrigerator for a day or two. It still tastes great. Look at these beautiful colors coming together in the form of nutrition and health. So this is going to be crunchy, yummy, lots of fiber, everything in balance, lovely aroma from the tadka, the tempering that we added. You guys will love it. The last recipe is a green pea dip. I enjoy making dips because dips are a great way to add to your salad and make your meal more substantial. You can also use your dips with your jawari rotis or toast. So it's a great thing to have dips in your home and have them in your refrigerator, so you can go to them whenever you need and add something more nourishing to your diet. So today I'm going to show you a green pea dip. For that you need 1 cup of green peas, half a cup of chopped onions, garlic. These are soaked almonds. I soaked them overnight. Skin should be peeled off. Mint leaves, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper powder, olive oil, paprika. You can also use chili powder, but then it's too strong. So for the dips, paprika is the best choice. Some green and black olives to garnish, and some vegetables that you would like to have your dip with. So what I did was, I added green peas, onions, garlic and almonds and tossed them with a little bit of olive oil and stir fried them. So this is how it looks. I also added mint in here. So what you do is, after you get this prepared, you put this in the mixer. To this you add a little bit of salt according to your taste, then some black pepper powder, and at this point you can also add a little more of olive oil so it blends beautifully. Olive oil is a great source of good fat, so I like to use it generously. Let's check. Oh wow, this is the perfect texture, how your dip is supposed to be. Creamy, and the color also looks beautiful. So that's green pea dip. To this we garnish with olive oil. Sprinkle some paprika and add some olives. That's your green pea dip. You can enjoy it with your vegetables, with your salad. You can use it on your toast or your roti. You can use your dips in multiple ways. Highly nutritious. Since we added almonds, it's also high in protein, fiber and lots of nourishment. So yummy. You'll start enjoying your vegetables more so when you have yummy dips like these. So this is the last episode of Nourish You Farm to Table at Sustainable Living with Shilpa Reddy. We hope to come back with many more healthy recipes next season. Till then, take care.